Hi, this is Patrick Mata from Ole Imports, and we're going to speak about Casteller. Casteller is a producer located in the northern part of Penedès, in the higher elevation vineyards of this area, which is south of Barcelona in the mountains. And Casteller, the name of the wine, relates to a competition that takes place during the summertime in this area of the south of Barcelona, and the competition is about building the highest human tower that is possible. So you have different teams competing against each other, and all of them are trying to build the highest human tower. And that's what Casteller means, is the party, the fiesta of the Castellers. And this wine is made in the village where all these fiestas take place, and that's why it communicates that essence by this name. So it's cava. It's produced by fermenting the wine in the bottle, which is a way of achieving more complexity of flavor, because during the fermentation the bottle is closed, and as a result the carbonation is trapped, and therefore the carbonation of the wine is natural, it's not injected. And also because the fermentation takes place in the bottle, you have a breakdown of yeast, and that breakdown of yeast inside of the bottle imparts very good flavors. And the more time the yeast is inside of the bottle, the more complexity of flavor that you're going to get. This is very different from Prosecco, which is a white wine with injected bubbles. When you do that, you don't have the added complexity of the breaking down of the yeast. So cava is always a method of making bubbles that is more conducive to complexity of flavor. More creaminess, more length, the bubbles are natural. This is the same way champagnes are made, always fermentation in the bottle. This is aged with the breakdown of the yeast for 12 months. By law, cava has to be aged for 9 months, but in this case it's a little bit more, because more months with the yeast is going to add more complexity. In wine, instead of saying yeast, we say lees. It's the same word and to communicate the same idea, right? So we say 12 months in the lees. Casteller is produced, the white Casteller is produced by a blend of 3 grapes, Xarel·lo, Parellada and Macabeo. And each of these grapes imparts something unique to the blend. It's better to do a blend in this case than do 100% Xarel·lo or 100% Parellada or 100% Macabeo. Each variety brings something to the equation. Xarel·lo brings the body, Macabeo brings the aromatics, and Parellada the acidity. So it's beautiful, lots of crisp notes, citrus notes, very elegant yeasty note that is subdued but present, that gives a little bit of weight to the wine. And this is all limestone based soils, which is very common in the area of Penedès, that type of soil. So there is always a chalky element to the wine that is also very interesting. And this producer, in addition to making the white cava with Parello, Xarellada and Macabeo, they also produce a pink bubbly in the same way, fermentation in the bottle. It's in contact with its lees for 12 months. And this is a blend of garnacha, red garnacha, and trepat. Trepat is a pink variety that it's grown also in that area of Penedès, south of Barcelona, and it's a grape that is always used to make rosés. And what's unique about trepat is that it has beautiful spice and herbal notes, and garnacha has a lot of red berry notes. So by blending red garnacha with trepat, you can achieve a bubbly that is very complex, that shows an element of spice but also an element of red berries. And until next time, from Ole Imports, cheers.